Just taking a small video here. I got a storm hitting the outreaches of Canada. As you can see, the water in the ocean there is really rough today. The waves are pretty big, and it's pouring rain right now. There's not many people out. You can hear the ocean roaring over here. It's really ugly out here. You can hear the waves, you can hear the wind. Big waves hitting out here on the outreaches of Canada. You can see way in the back there, all those clouds covering all the mountains. You hear all the noise, the water bashing against the rocks. Give you a shot over here on this side. Seagull going by. Yeah, it's so ugly out here right now. Big waves coming in. See way in the back there, those mountains covered. Fog, rain. See the white caps out there? It's supposed to get worse later on. The vicious storm coming in. First storm of the season, as you can see. Just gonna let you guys watch the ocean here for a second. As the waves bash it. Got people in raincoats. People in raincoats walking by. It's just ugly out here today. It's a way of God to renew the land, refresh everything, let the rain pour down, and just cleanse everything, cleanse the land. It's been so hot here over the summer. Now we got these storms rolling in. Just like to share this with you. God bless you, and just gonna walk this way with you. See a bit more of it. A bit more of the storm. As you can see, it's really ugly out here. Phone just getting soaked with rain. Give you one last shot here. God bless you, everyone. Have a good day.